Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone looking to extend the life of their trusty HP LaserJet 1320 printer. The Yunton Fuser Unit Assembly, specifically part number RC1-3612. This isn't just any printer part, it's the heart of the printing process, responsible for fusing the toner onto the paper, ensuring your documents come out crisp and permanent. Now, one of the most interesting aspects of this particular offering is the condition in which it might arrive. Buyers should be aware that they could receive either an original refurbished unit or a compatible new one, and the selection is made randomly. This means there's no choosing which type you'll get. An original refurbished unit implies it's a genuine HP part that has been restored to working order, potentially offering the exact specifications and reliability of the original. On the other hand, a compatible new unit is a brand new part manufactured by a third party, designed to function identically to the original. Both options aim to provide a functional replacement, but their origins and manufacturing processes differ. It's a unique situation that requires a bit of trust in the supplier's quality control for both types. A critical piece of advice for anyone considering this Fuser unit is to meticulously compare it with their existing part. The product description explicitly states that the model number is for reference only, and buyers absolutely must check the item's appearance, size, and color against their original Fuser unit. This step cannot be overstated. Printers, even within the same model series, can sometimes have slight variations in components, or perhaps an older revision might look subtly different. If the replacement part does not visually match the original, it's strongly advised not to place an order. This diligence ensures compatibility and saves a lot of potential hassle with returns or non-functional installations. Ultimately, this Yunton Fuser unit assembly offers a viable path to repair and rejuvenate an HP LaserJet 1320 that might be experiencing Fuser-related issues, such as smudged prints or paper jams. For those who are comfortable with a bit of DIY printer maintenance and understand the nuances of receiving either a refurbished original or a new compatible part, this could be a cost-effective solution to bring their printer back to full operational capacity. It's all about careful comparison and understanding the product's specific conditions before making that purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.